Hello, Jesse. Ron Hilton here with Palm Valley Insurance, your Dave Ramsey ELP, providing your quote that we spoke last evening. I'm just going to do a quick little review here of your current policy you have with Progressive. And as you can see, this is your page, your declarations page. And here are your liability limits that you have, $25.50, and your property damage being $25,000. That's a little bit low if you should involve yourself with an accident, and only having $25,000 in property damage could open yourself up to a possible legal situation if your insurance policy does not cover the other people's vehicle. And with the vehicles on today's roads costing so much more than $25,000, this is something we need to probably address. Then you have your uninsured motorist, your medical payments, and your $250 deductibles on both vehicles, and we're matching your coverages that you have now, and we're at $786. And when I look at your policy, your quote, there's the coverages all matched, and as you can see, the quote is $750, so virtually right at what you're paying. But like I said, I would suggest making some changes, and let's get the liability and property damage up much higher, and we can look at addressing removing uninsured motorists, since you most likely have health insurance as a family, and leaving everything else the same. We can make a little tweak to your auto coverages, and we can actually get you a lower premium. As you can see, instead of $750, it's $703. And you have 4 times more coverage. Now in the home, the homeowners is coming in at $705 for the home quote. And as you can see here are your coverages: liability, medical payments, deductibles. And one thing that we can possibly address here is changing our hurricane deductibles down to $1,000 instead of 2%, which 2% of a hurricane deductible is going to be right around $3,200 for anything that's hurricane related. So that's one possibility we can look at doing. But I'm going to send you this quote as it is, as you are now. But as you can see, for $20 you can reduce your hurricane deductible exposure by quite a bit. So that's a summary. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. When you're able to give me a call and discuss your quotes, more than happy to talk with you anytime, evenings, even on weekends if you need to. All right, Jesse, we'll talk to you soon.